In this video, you are going to learn how to input a big number in a cell in Microsoft Excel. Generally, if I input a big number in a cell in Microsoft Excel, it will be in the scientific format. But I want to input a big number like this and it will be normal, as you can see here. So what I have to do actually, where I want to input the big numbers, select that column or row. Let me select this column. Over the number format, go to over here and click on text. Now if you input a big number over here, you will see this is okay. Here you will see a error. Click on just over here and click on ignore error. Then you can easily write a big number in this column like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.